installation of extensions. Let's learn how to install an extension to Magento 2 platform. So we're on the website, practically we're on Magento Marketplace, and that's the place where we would like to find an extension that we're going to install. So I already spent some time and browsed around and found several extensions that we will take in consideration, but I have decided to install one simple extension. This extension is called product questions. Okay, let's find it. Let's do search. Okay, and let's select Magento 2 here because we are looking for extensions that compatible with Magento 2 and version 2.2. Okay, so we have product question that the extension I have mentioned. Let's open it. And actually what it will give us an ability to implement the following form into the product page, and from using that form, a customer or a person who would like to ask a question will able to write something, and we will receive the email regarding the particular product from where it was submitted. So let's install this extension, and the first thing that we need to purchase it. Even so, it's free. So I'm gonna leave this option community because I'm installing on Magento community, and I'm gonna ignore this support section because I don't need any support. I will go by myself. So I'm now actually clicking Add to Cart button. Okay, and we have something in our basket. We do have this extension, and here I'm gonna click Go to Checkout. Okay, and on this page we have the following: no payment information required, and it means that extension is free, and we do have zero price in order summary. So let's confirm the purchase, and I'm gonna click place order. Okay, we just purchased an extension. Here is order number, and that's great. The next thing that we need to do, we need to go to Magento dashboard. So I have Magento open it in first tab. Let's open it. And from here, let's go to System, Web Setup Wizard. And here, let's click on Component Manager. Let's wait for a second. So practically each extension is a separate component, and we do have like over 100 components, and we do have like 12 components that are waiting installation. And recently we purchased an extension, and this means that we purchased new component. So when we click sync, this would mean that Magento will synchronize with the marketplace and will check whether we have something new for installation. Because we purchased a new extension, a new component, in other words, we expect to see a value 13 here because something new appeared for installation. So let's do it. I'm gonna click sync and we will see. Okay, we have even 14 here. I'm not sure why 14, but definitely it means that we have something new for installation. Probably I did something before and forgot about this, but we'll figure out now. So I'm gonna click install. And now let's find the extension which we recently purchased. I'm speaking about this extension, product question. So let's search for it. Okay, I'm gonna do Ctrl F to be more accurate. Okay. Okay, I actually not sure which one I should install. So let's try another hint. I'm gonna return back here, and the seller which is Mage Wars. So let's search for Magevars here. Okay, we do have Magevars 1 component and Magevars 2 component. So practically, from what I understand, the extension which we purchased comes with 2 components that should be installed together. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select these 2 components, okay, and now I'm gonna click install. Before Magento confirm the new installation, it will need to make some readiness check to make sure that our environment met the minimal requirements and criteria. So let's click start readiness check, and let's wait for some time. I'm gonna close this thing. Okay, and according to the check, we're ready to go ahead and install the component or extension. So let's click next. Each extension actually add new code to your Magento code base, and it's highly recommended to make a backup endpoint. So if something will be broken, you will able to restore the data and your previous working configuration. So let's click create a backup, and let's wait for some time. This may take several minutes and even more. Okay, great. The backup is ready, and we can go ahead and continue the installation. I'm gonna click next. Before I will actually press the install button, I would like to open our website. Okay, let's do it. And the reason why I would like to open it, because I would like to show you the way how the product page looks now, before we actually add this component. So let's click on any product page. Let's open it. And here is our product page. That's how it looks. And we expect somewhere at the bottom, somewhere here, I think, the product question form after the component installation. So let's return back to the dashboard, and let's finally click the install button. Okay, and installation is started. It also may take from several minutes to even 5 or more minutes, and we have console log here, and all the installation commands will be logged here, and we will able to follow the installation. And once it's installed, it will redirect us to success page or to a page with error. So let's wait to see the results of the installation. Okay, we have successfully installed Magento component or Magento extension. Actually, it contains 2 components in scope of 1 extension. So we've done the installation, and we have a success message here, and that's great. So the next thing, let's go back to setup tool. I think it will bring us to the setup wizard. Okay, and the next point is that let's open dashboard home page. Okay, it won't work that way, so let's do another way. Okay, let's go to admin page directly. Okay, and now let's go to, okay, I actually see we have a new icon here, Magevars. Let's click on it. For some reason it doesn't want to work. Let's clean the cache. Let's reload the page. Okay, let's try again. Okay, it doesn't work. It doesn't mean that there is a mistake. Let's try to go to system, and let's go to not to system but to stores, and here let's go to configuration. Okay, and we have Magento here, and here is the component that we recently installed, ask a question. Let's click on it and let's enable it. Okay, when you enable something significant, you need to clean the cache always. That's the mandatory point. So let's clean the cache. Okay, and now let's try to refresh the product page to see if any change appeared here. Okay, great, and we do have ask here, and it means that this extension started to appear on the product page. Let's click here, and we do have form according to the description that we have on extension page. So if we go to the extension page, we could see that such forms should appear on the product page, and we do have the same form on our product page now. So everything looks fine, everything looks the way we expected. And once again, this was very smooth and easy installation of simple extension, but my goal was to explain you how to use Magento Marketplace and how to install an extension using the Magento Component Manager. So I hope you now have a clear understanding on that, and you will able to customize your Magento installation with extensions that you may need for your business and for your success. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.